Hello, this is my unboxing of the Delsey Turenne luggage. It's 29 inches, I believe, above, and it's in blue. So, bought this online on Best Buy. Quite a deal, but I don't exactly know how good it is. Most of the information on it online is from the manufacturer, so can't really tell how good it is out of the box. Speaking of which, I won't be able to tell you guys how good it is in travel just because I'm not traveling until the end of the year, so I'll probably make a second video just to show that. But all I can say is when you buy this thing and it comes in the mail, you don't, like, I would say it's like a kilogram at most, this whole box. So. Like a good portion of the weight is on the cardboard box alone. Delsey Paris. It has wheels, it can go through stairs. It has that thing. You can drop it a meter and it should be able to withstand it. The stippers is, I don't know, something special I guess, and it's like abrasion proof. Yeah. I don't see any scratches, so it's nice. It's very, like, what the hell? It's 80% air. Has a combination lock. That's TSA approved, I guess. Put the locks in, and then you pull outwards, I guess, to unlock it. Let's see inside. But yeah, if you want luggage that's like 80% air, then there you go. The wheels, I guess they look small but good enough. It rolls, so don't really know what people would look for in that. The inside has two compartments. Yeah, three compartments. For some reason, these stippers on the inside on this one. I don't know why. Or you're not supposed to unzip that, I guess. Weird. So, if you take this zipper off, it'll basically be at the end. I don't suggest trying to hide something from the airport people, but hey, you do you. Same thing on the other side. You have a sticker, you can put your name or whatever. That's garbage. So yeah. Let me drag the camera. You guys can't probably see it, but so if you look, when you take off this fabric, it's just the bare, what is this? I guess a patch fabric. But yeah, when you take off the fabric, then you're basically at the end of the luggage itself. As for the quality, I guess it's alright. The plastic feels thin, like I can feel my hand on the other side, but that's probably just because they want to save a lot of weight. So I guess I would understand that if that's your preference, which it is for me because I'm going somewhere for a month or two and I'm gonna need to carry a shit ton of items, unfortunately. Yeah. Zipper. Ooh. There it is. Sorry. Not really the best camera work. But yeah. You'll have my opinion on how it lasts, if it'll last in the end of 2019 when I actually come back. But yeah. Is it worth $300? Yeah, kind of. Not really a glowing endorsement, just because of the fact that it's thin, but I don't know if you're sacrificing structural integrity, you know, because it's so damn tight and empty, right? So it has a tracking number over here, I guess. So I'm gonna peel that off and make sure to record that so that if it gets lost, I can just ask the airport people to try to find it, but chances are it's gonna be gone. Yeah, and I guess it goes here also. There's mail. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Carrying handle on the top and carrying handle on the side. One at the side and one at the front, or the top. And if you want to be extra anal, or if you want to piss off the people who work at the airport, you can put a lock in between these two locks. Focus. Okay. I don't know. Here, there is a hole where you can put a lock in between the two zippers. So that's it. I can read to you what they have in the brochure, but you can probably just go online and see. Like ultralight and resistant international carry-on luggage, new zip secure tech 2 blah blah blah, combination lock TSA for easy maneuverable wheels, blah 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 blah. Please buy more. That, and I guess this thing is good because it has a 10-year warranty, so I guess that's not bad, more or less. Alright, thank you for watching. Yeah, have a good day.